guarantee delicious pineapple cake recipe. Hello and welcome to Rice Cooker Baking with Life a Pang. Narak requested for an improved yellow box cake mix, similar to my earlier box chocolate cake mix recipe. What would you like to see bake in the rice cooker? You can use any yellow box cake mix as long as it is the same size. I am going to use this one. If you are brand new to my channel, do watch to the end because I do have important baking tips at the end for you. And if you can get your hands on canned crushed pineapples in the 20-ounce can, I recommend using that. It is a lot easier and will guarantee success. Canned slices, tidbits, and fresh pineapples will work as well. You just need to crush them yourself. Just use the slices, do not use the juice in the can. Use a blender or food processor and give it a few pulses to break this up. And as always, the full written recipe, oven baking, and written instructions are at the bottom of this video. Measure out the amount we need. I'm using the measuring cup and the scale to get the correct amount. And let's get our eggs ready as well. This may be the easiest and tastiest cake. Don't tell anyone it's from a box. I did pour the measure amount into the 20-ounce pineapple can just to see what it looks like, and it's pretty close. If you use the canned crushed pineapple, use the entire can including the juice. If you are using the canned slices or canned tidbits, do not use the juice, but do include whatever juice is left after you crush it. Whisk this base ingredient together until combined, about 30 seconds. For my rice bakers, there is way too much batter for one pot to bake, so make sure you divide this into 2 separate baking. I am testing baking using a mold inside the rice cooker. Grease or line your pot or pan. This will probably be a 3-bake cycle. Paper towel to catch condensation, and let's bake. Now 1 bake cycle is about 5 minutes in the cook status in high heat and 25 minutes in the warm status in low heat. Repeat this bake cycle until your cake is done. Also do see the general baking instruction at the end of the video. After 2 bake cycle, which is 60 minutes, nope, not done yet. After 3 bake cycle, which is 90 minutes, this one is not done yet. Let's add another tablespoon of water and do another bake. The cake in this rice cooker is done, so cool it in the pan for 30 minutes. After the 4th bake, which is 2 hours, the cake mold is finally done. And turn our other cake onto a cooling rack to cool it completely if you plan to frost it. You can use any frosting you want, but this cream cheese, oh yeah, it really worked well. The cream cheese should be at room temperature soft. Beat this for 1 minute. Fold this first to prevent a cloud of sugar dust all over. Beat this for 30 seconds. And make sure you squeezed out the juice from this crushed pineapple. This was 4 slices of pineapple. Beat this for 30 seconds to combine it. And I will not torture you with my lack of cake decorating skills, so just frost the cake however you like. If you baked in your rice cooker, do share some of your outcome with me by sending me a picture or short video. You can email me directly, or you can connect with me through any of your favorite social media network. All the links are at the bottom. And oh, finally a good pineapple recipe. I've been trying a few from scratch, but they have been failures. It's always been too dense. This one, yum, yum, yum. Moist, soft, and At least the cake is perfection. And I do greatly appreciate if you like this video and share the recipe with your families and friends. Comment below and let me know what you think about using box cake mixes. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pang and I do upload a new video every Saturday. So be sure to subscribe, that way you don't miss any delicious recipe in the future. For this cake, I just thinned out the frosting with a little bit of milk and topped it with some shredded coconut flakes. What do you think? No. Well, the cake is almost perfect. It's a little bit more dense than the other cake, so I would recommend not to use a mold in the rice cooker. The base cake is a medium sweet. With the frosting, it's sweet. I wish you a wonderful weekend and wonderful upcoming week. And until next Saturday, happy baking in your rice cooker. Hey, don't go yet. There are a lot more recipes. The links are on screen or below in the text box. Go and watch them. You won't regret it.